Back. See, we are discussing about two stocks today. The first one is VPL and the second one is Zomato. Okay. See, this is a market where everything has been crashed. So before doing an intraday trade, we have to keep, we have to see the day chart. That is very important. See the last 3 days, VBL stock down, down, down. So very careful while we are buying a share where the last 3 days continuously red. So we cannot do the intraday trade in 5 minutes. Okay. And make sure that in 5 minutes, if you are doing, we have some intraday technique that I have discussed everything clearly in my last videos. Refer to that. So we will check what has happened to this share today here. Whether we get any buy depending on our strategy. We will see that. So 5 minutes I am taking. So in the 5 minutes, this BBL stock has been opened at around here. The BBL stock opened first 5 minutes here, and we have a strategy that we will enter only after 9:30 candle closes. We have some strategy on how to do intraday trade with the 5 minutes chart. And this particular share last 3 days were red. So we cannot do it in 5 minutes. If we try also, we will never get a buy trade. Very sure. And this rectangle mark, no, these are all previous days institutional selling happened areas where huge quantity were sold. That we can understand only through footprint chart. That I will discuss it later. Now we are considering only the data bar statistics only. With the help of this, we will go for a buy. Okay. So here, this strategy and all I discussed earlier. Refer to my first video. Go to the channel, subscribe it, and refer to my first video. You will get the strategy. So here we got everything red, green, correct? No, but we will never enter at in this candle because it is 9:20 candle. This 9:30 candle out after only we will enter. And also one another point is that after a red candle completion, we will never take a trade. After a red candle closes, no, don't go for a buy. Even if you are not following this bar strategies and all. And open price only above you have to buy. This is the open price. Correct, no? The open price is 436. So 436 above only we will buy. And after completing a red candle, we never buy. We don't know whether the next candle is green candle or not. If a green candle closes, we can assume that the next candle also, the next 5 minutes also, this trend will continue. On that basis, we can enter. But we are not entering blindly. We need the statistical data. Then only we will enter. So 9:30 candle is not a buy. See, after that, it has gone down like anything. And this was the selling areas of the previous day and days. I have marked it here. How to draw these imbalances and all, I have clearly explained in my previous videos. First video, you check the first video in this channel. You will get it. Okay. So, before that, kindly subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and fellow traders. Okay. This area, it survived around 10 minutes and this candle closes below this support area. And these imbalance areas are support as well as a resistance. Okay, remember that. When it is coming from the bottom, no, and closed above this, closing is required. for breakout trade. And closing above this imbalance area with a decent volume and our strategy, we can go for a buy. Let us see. But in this case, we will change this our chart now to 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes, we never get an entry here, 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 and this is Fridays, and here. Here it is the first 15 minutes candle of Monday, and second 15 minutes candle, third 15 minutes candle, so and so. See, this candle has closed above this imbalance area, 433. And where we got a buy, here our conditions are satisfied, but this is a red candle. Red candle after we never buy. And here this delta condition is not satisfied. But here our old conditions are satisfied. And this candle also, our old conditions are satisfied. This candle, there is an exemption that volume is lower than the previous candle. So better safe to enter here. And this candle low will be the stop loss. You see, here we are entering around 428. And our stop loss is 422, 6 point. So maximum 18 points we can get. But this is a bear market, no? It is a beaten down share. So even if we get some 6 to 12 points, we will exit. So here we have entered around 427.28, and immediately this line, this is the open price of today. Near to that 437 it came within 15 minutes. 10 points, no? It's okay, good. Exit. Some 400 points. Easily you will get. And this is a breakout candle also. So you can enter here also after completing this candle. 433, 44, entering another 6 points. Then what happened? This is also our buy candle. This open price also closed above. So 439 is an entry. 439 entering, and this resistance, imbalance resistance, cross and closed above with a good volume and our delta conditions. So again, it is a buy here. So if we buy here, we can hold our position till it touches this level. See, these imbalances will hold where the huge quantity has been dumped in this. I think on Monday, last Monday. See, around the 465 to 465 points range. See this candle, no? Exactly touched at the top of the resistance and gone down and closed in between these two imbalances. And tomorrow, if BPL has to go up, it has to close above this 466 in a 5 minute chart. 466 above closing with a good volume and all, it may go up again. And these are all are for educational purposes only. And we are teaching you, we are empowering you how to trade with your own trade. So study this. It's a wonderful, amazing thing to study. The beginning, it may be some difficulty to understand what are all these footprint chart and all, and we are here to help you. Okay. So these are all about the BBL today, and we will take some Zomato. Okay. Zomato also the same thing. 50 minutes chart only we will do. And these are all the imbalances areas of today. I didn't on the previous days. And today's imbalance areas, this one. Huge quantity has been dumped in between these areas. And here we got our entry. We got our entry. Our old delta condition satisfied over here. And it is actually green. Plus side. It is negative. Here there is no entry. In this candle also no entry. And this candle Delta is green, and as well as max delta also green, and it has also reduced. The strategy is there. So immediately here we will enter, and also it has closed above the selling areas. Okay, 219.80, 220 we are entering. It has gone up to 225, 5 points only, around 2.5%, a decent return. No? So you study this, empower yourself to trade. No, why depending on others every day, looking at the mobile shop, mobile and all, waiting for tips and all. Think with your own logic, common sense. Empower yourself. Study this. If you have any doubt, no, contact us. We will empower you. We are here to help you, educate you. Study yourself. These are all not big things. The chart, no, you can take even free trial of 7 days from Go Charting. If you go to Go Charting, you will get a free 7 days free trial. Before taking the free trial, no, try to study our tutorials. You see all the tutorials repeatedly, uh, and then repeatedly. Then subscribe for Go Charting. You can do self trades, no? Apply your own brain, apply your own logic, and your money you are investing and believing somebody else is not a good thing. So think twice before doing intraday trade. Positional trade, no problem. You can take advice. If the advisor and you are lucky, you will get it. Because nobody can predict what will happen tomorrow in the stock market. But what will happen today, we have find it out that in this candle, there is a huge buying happened with the double volume, delta, everything. The aggressive buyers are there. Max delta also green. The aggressive buyers power, no? And this area, if we enter, we will get something. It is a 99% accuracy is there in this trade. Okay. So subscribe us, share the links to others immediately. Please. Thank you.